Alright, so we're trading USD, dollar, Japanese yen right now. We're trading forex. We're doing futures contracts. A little bit complicated process. So I'm not going to go and explain that right now. But we're looking for short. We're at hourly highs right now. We got Asian market opening up in about a minute right now, if I'm not mistaken. Um, should be around right now. Yeah, Tokyo session just opened right now. Alright. So we're at hourly highs, like I said. We're looking to sweep these out right now and catch some shorts to the downside. Um, Currently we have this 30-minute gap, hourly gap here. So preferably we can catch an entry before we get down to this gap here. Yeah, because right now I think that's my main draw there. Pushing. There's that there, but that was already taken out, so it's kind of hard on there to say. My next thought would be this low resistance liquidity here is the next possible target, but that won't be until a different day. But yeah, for now this gap is mainly my target, being at these hourly highs. So right now looking to just break out of this. It's the 5-minute low we're trying to break right here. 5-minute change of order flow. We just swept out these highs. Yeah, we're not in bearish order flow yet. We just invalidated all these 5 minutes here. So honestly here, wouldn't be surprised if we see a movement up to these highs here. So these 5-minute gaps will be filled. 15-minute gap will be filled here. So this 15 minutes gonna be filled up. That shouldn't even print fired. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see that movement occur. But every 5-minute structure right here. I'm gonna have to take the trade on my phone, and once I take it on here, I'll pull it up on the computer here. Just because it's a little complicated to do just on my computer with one monitor. Because I'm entering on a different chart. Kind of struggling there to line my phone, so it's not the best situation to be in right now. Okay. Okay, we're good now. Yeah, our time is 15 minutes. Okay, we just got this 5 minute close. Right now, honestly, a pullback into equilibrium would be nice. We're gonna push out this 50 minute that we're in right now. Would be the worst thing in the world either. See if we get that there. If we push straight into that hourly, what about these highs here, which are all-time highs to chase right now? That's honestly about it, to be honest. Might just target a 1-to-1. But preferably get some sort of retracement here to the downside. We're still on this 15 minute. We won't get a new 15 minute for until 7:15. But if we form this 5 minute, we get a retracement to it. I'm okay with it. Shorting that bitch. If we get a 1 minute break to downside. Okay, we're bouncing off right now. Look, this might be if we break, I'll take shorts here. Guys, so tap into equilibrium. Move into that 5 minute as well. So if we break here, I'm gonna enter for a short for a 1-to-1 on a short. Or this 5 minute right here. They're just waiting for a 1 minute break right now. Okay, just wait here, see if we can get it. We got 7 seconds, 5 seconds. Okay, there's a break. Gotta keep being patient here. You're gonna want to move further into that corner. So I'll enter here. I think it's gonna move further into this Harley, so I'll close a couple contracts halfway through this gap. So I'm in there. trying to set take profits, but it won't let me. It won't let me It's kind of what the trade situation's looking like. I'm trying to fucking put in like stop losses and shit, bro. But it won't let me. I guess it's just like if it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't, bro. How the fuck else I can do this? Trying to see if I can manage it on trade of it. So. Alright, give me 1 second. So what would you like to see? Is it some, I'm gonna try to shut this down and reopen it. Shit's being gay. Don't know why it's not letting me connect here. Alright, it's whatever. This is good enough, I guess. So the yen, the futures yen doesn't move as smooth as I thought it was gonna be. I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of this type of trade. Um, forex, it's already moving super smooth, but it's not replicating on here. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know if I'll do this again, to be honest with you. I can't take partials or nothing here. But I don't know. It doesn't want me to lock in on here, but I might be able to pull it up on my phone, so should be alright. So I'm logged in on here. No. I don't know what's all loading on the computer. It's on my phone. It's loading. It's chill. So okay, so this hourly is down. So this 5 minute lower is lower. So it's showing some query. Should come down through all this. Again, like I feel like this should be moved, but I guess I'm just interpreting or some shit. I don't know. When I was back testing this, it moved pretty fucking smooth. I would just fucking teleport it. You know? It was like every new fucking 5 minute candle would adjust its price. Maybe that's what it is. Whatever. Wish I could close some fucking partials on this head. I don't know why this is not. I don't like that. To be honest with you, not the biggest fan. Not the biggest fan at all. I'm gonna have to do some more research if I'm trade some other way. I don't know how I feel about it. This. This was the move we're trying to catch. That's what I'm saying. Like on here, it moves super, super smooth. Sorry, like 224. It's taking a minute though. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this like this. I don't know. I I definitely don't like this, but we're on this bitch today, so just gonna let it play out. I think it's gonna hit TP, but I just don't like how sloppy, like disconnected this shit is. I mean, USD JP USD to the yen is pretty far down, so this should be the exact copy and paste representation. I know it looks a little sloppy there, but on the 1 hour, it suits it a little better, as you can see. You got all these down candles here, up candles. It's literally copy and paste just backwards. It just does not move good at like, you know what I mean, like on like time to time. Let's see if at 7:35 it updates again, like how the price is at or how this works. I've back tested it, but on the back test, obviously it works a little different because I mean, shit, the candles just kind of pop up. It's not like live or anything like that. So we'll see though. This is the first time trying it out, so can't complain too much. Definitely gonna see if I find someone else. So I don't know if I like this at all. Maybe gonna have to transfer into looking at maybe for a forex and futures broker, and transfer all the funds there. Might go maybe like this week without trading. Depends how long the funds take to transfer. I'm gonna look into a broker though if I can, because then I can just trade USD JPY on the forex. So the thing with it is, so pretty much it's like this USD JPY is showing like dollar value to yen, right? So $1 right now, we're priced at 159 yen. By the way, did not get another candle. What the fuck? Okay, whatever. So here it's opposite. So here it's like 1 yen to dollars. So it's not even like 1 cent. You know what I mean? It's pretty much what's shown there. So this is a yen to dollar. This is dollar to yen. So pretty much this is going up. It's going to be going up. This should be going up. If you know what I mean? It's just not moving the same right now, which is kind of what's bugging me a little bit. 5:30 candles. I mean, I guess it is down here on here, huh? Yeah, it's interesting for sure. So that's the idea, but though this is like yen to dollar, so it's opposite. So this moves down, this is gonna be it's like an exact negative 100 correlation. So like if this goes down, this is gonna have to go up. I know right now it's like not like that right now, but that's the main idea with that, and that's kind of why I was willing to trade it because I can't trade futures straight away, like straight through my broker because it's a futures only, or sorry, I can't trade forex straight through my broker because it's a futures only broker. So it doesn't do that. So I was trying to find a way around it, and I found like we have like futures for like each kind of like currency, like that. I think it's the pound, the euro, and stuff like that. And so I mean, and so yeah, and so I was trying to the Aussie, Australian, not even Aussie. I don't even know if it's the Aussie or not. Anyway, but I was trying to so I was trying to trade that like because of that like in that manner, as you could say, like just like um just like based off this, take a trade off the yen, right? But obviously that shit's not moving like how I thought it was gonna move, and I can't even fucking take partials, which is kind of dookie Kind of want to take partials right now, but I can't. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find a broker that does both. My fucking trade rates are you're bugging out. Like last night, whenever or like the past couple nights when I've been back testing it, like it's worked pretty good, you know. So not super worried about it, just because like I did take the trade on based off this. So I mean, it's worked really well. So I think it'll be okay. Um, but I don't know exactly where this is trying to go. I mean, in reality, this low's gone. There's no low here, so I mean, technically it should run to here. I don't think it's going to run all the way down there right now, though. Yeah. But when I was back testing, it worked pretty well. But again, the candles just kind of fucking up here. So like when I back tested it, like these candles were already formed. You know, these candles just automatically formed how they formed. I just thought it'd be more like, you know, you'd be, I don't know, explaining like you'd be able to see each candle kind of go up and down and shit, but it doesn't even do that. So just like you know how normally it is. Um, but right now, I mean, it's not looking too bad. And a lot of times, sometimes these trades take really long to play out. Sometimes when it play out to like 9, just because you know it moves a lot slower. So that's why I'm kind of trading from like 7 p.m. to like 9ish. Is my thought right now. I'm definitely gonna see if I can find something though, like that's like USD or forex and futures, so I can just trade them like the USD to JP to the yen. Because like this trade I would have already hit already, you know, if it was trading like that. This future shit's kind of, I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest. I don't know if I like it. To be honest, I don't at all. But for now, we're already in this. We can't take fucking partials for some fucking reason. So we're just gonna let this shit right out, see what happens today. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna try to put another. That just that does not work. Maybe I can do two. Oh, there it goes. Can you fucking do two? Okay, let's try one. No, bro. It does not let you take partials at all. This shit's criminal. It's actually brutal. I don't even want to move break even yet, just because we haven't formed a 5 minute retracement at all yet. So on USD here, like we haven't pulled back at all. So I don't want to go break even yet. I think we dropped again. Yeah, I'm not fucking with this shit. I'm playing something else. Mm. Can't even log into that bitch. Fuck me. Shit's so good. Yeah, dude, I can't fucking take partial. That shit's so stupid. Alright, just sit and watch this fucking trade, I guess. In a 15-minute right now, should push out of this. Like, I wanted to take partials because we're fucking in this out of the gap, but shit won't even let you take fucking partials, bro. Alright, bad. So we got 10 more minutes until this hour closes. Honestly, best case scenario for me is we fucking inverse this bitch. And then, yeah, honestly, once we get to the bottom of this, like, low resistance, right? We got stacked up like crazy, low key. But once we get to, like, the bottom of this low resistance, I'm just gonna close this bitch just because we can't take any partials or anything. Not the biggest fan of this, to be honest. I'm gonna have to find some. Like I said, I'm gonna look for a broker that does forex and futures. Just move everything into that. Transfer that shit over. Or maybe it's just about patience. I just gotta fucking learn. You know, it's my first time doing this. Maybe it'll work. I just gotta learn to, you know, let it chill out. You know, let it do its thing. It's just a different way. But it's really. I'll probably still look into it. You know, just to look, but it's just gonna be a hassle to move everything, like all the money and shit, over to somewhere else. The thing is, I like trading and shit, so. You know, because normally I wouldn't be doing the trading and shit. I'd be trading like those shit, so. Think about it. For sure. Let me see how this is. Yes, man. Bad, bro. I'm ready to see if I like tire stops here. Is this low? We'll put it above 60. 7 o'clock. Here. So I'm not the biggest fan of this because again, we're holding this here. But I also just noticed that these bitches are fucking expensive to close, yo. Close at break even, that's negative 1550. That's crazy. That's not good looks. Hello? Start researching now. Like that burger. think it's only 21 for, bro. Not quite there yet. Probably should turn my screen off for that shit, man. Bro, I was just signed in, bro. Just look into that later. Didn't quite inverse that. Not the best looks. We might have formed a new fucking level. Okay, I'll have to look into that. I don't know. Trade station, I think, is 21 though. I'm not there yet. We'll just look at this fucking chart. There's no point looking at the other one, so. Felt great. Pushing out of these 15 minutes right now. I might just have to get used to trading this shit low key. Because, like, when I was back testing it, it was fine. You know, like, it did good. So, I just gotta get used to it, I guess. I don't know, I just don't like how the charts print and how this shit takes forever to link up with this, you know what I mean? Like, this shit, I don't find it kinda looks like that, doesn't it? I don't know, yeah, it kinda does, can't lie. Let's say if I was taking a short here, I would have done this. So I can turn somewhere around here, right? It stops about these highs. And then targeted. Targeted 1-to-1 at least. So I probably should have these like here. I noticed it moved like this. So now I know those. So now next time, yeah. I think we're gonna try it out for a week. See how it turns out for the week. You know, if it's fucking boomed it, like I'm still not fucking with it, then we'll do something. We'll try to find something else. I just don't get it because like it says we're on the green here, but like it says we're at flat. You know, it says we're at zeros. So that's what I don't understand. That's what I'm not liking about it, to be honest with you. I really can't open. Like, look at this fucking one there. Wow, shit looks like buns, bro. What am I getting myself into, dog? Fucking autistic or something. So like now it's at zero. Now it's at break even, right? But now it just says I'm down. Oh no, no, it says I'm break even. Okay, fuck, never mind. Shit, I don't even know. That shit is bugging, I guess. Yeah, dude, I just wish it would move as smooth as fucking US. Like if it's a down candle, it'd be the down candle. You know what I mean? It's not like that though. That's the only thing that bugs me. Like, I don't mind the idea. Like I said, we're gonna try it out for a week, see how I like it. Um, and shit. Like I would have put my stops tighter to this. I just didn't know it moved like this. Like this shit. I thought it actually moved like yes, kind of did. Like printed kind of like that. But now this shit literally prints like fucking Roblox, bro. Shit's so buns. Oh my god. It's whatever though. We'll figure it out. Gotta figure it out. For now, like I said, we're just gonna see the shit. How this shit either gets stop loss, TP, whatever hits, bro. And then go again tomorrow. Fuck it. We're just gonna try to risk like 150 per trade. I think that's what we got on here right now. We got like 150. But dude, the fucking percentage or like the commission on this one is fucking crazy. It's like 15 bucks to close this bitch. So anyway. You see what I'm saying? Like we're moving good on USD right now, but like nothing prints. It's just a fucking boop. Shit's so ass. Like about promo once we get here. How the fuck did that print blue, bro? What do you mean that's blue? I don't know, bro. I don't understand. But if it makes sense to the computer, I guess it makes sense to the computer. This chart actually pisses me off. Like, what the fuck is this, bro? It's literally Roblox. The next hourly high that's valid is literally right here. We don't even have a fucking hourly gap on this low key, this shit's inverse here. Not do that. So we don't want. Oh man. Yo, why do you get comfy ass shit? Shit's ass. Some snacks would go harder than. Oh, where's my phone? I'm supposed to let my buddy know how shit's going. I was just talking to my friend real quick. But anywho, that's how we're looking right now. Should still ass. I don't know how I feel about this bullshit, but All right, boys and girls. Oh, dude, this shit's so black. Oh my god. That looks pretty fucking bearish. I think that's fire. You're pretty, yeah, it's JPY. British pound. Okay, so this one and the British pound, these kind of friends the same. Okay, it's because they're both kind of euros. Okay. So these have a good correlation. Aussie. These all kind of look the same. See that was here. AUD, ZD. Oops. Okay, so these are all the crosses right here. I don't know what the fuck to use them though. So the crosses right now. Okay, I'm gonna pull my stops up a little bit. Now that we form new fundamental lows, I think. I think highs. Yeah, here we broke past. Yeah. So what is 815 candle? Where's that shit at? 815 candles right here. We're going to break even then. It's on, right? Yeah. We're just gonna break even. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect, chat. Just gonna go there. Is this great trade risk management or what, bro? Gotta close it once it gets to Tesla though. Like that's the last of the 5 minute low resistance for a minute. Oh shit. Shit full TP boys. Fire. Let's fucking go. Bang. How much we cash? Calm little 156 USD. Calm. Shit, we might have to stick to this now. It's so buns. Like I said, I'm gonna give it a week though. Just play it out, see how it goes. We take longs, technically shorts, but it was a long position size. It was a 1-to-1, so 156, 25. Tomorrow's gonna be so much better though, trust. I figured this shit out too on stop loss and stuff. It doesn't. I don't need to place it that far away because that shit don't move like butter. That shit moves like a block. Okay. How's that looking right now? Perfect. Alrighty. Oh shit, can we make it like light blue or something? No. Bet. Alright, so we caught a little banger. It was chopped as fuck, but we caught a little smackaroonie. It's all good. It's 8:30 type shit. Look at this 1 minute, by the way. Oh man, okay. Well, I'm glad that shit smacked. Like I said, I'm gonna trade it this week, see how it goes. If we can prove it for it to be consistent, here's the thing, I don't mind doing it just because when I back tested it, I back tested like a month and a half, kind of, and it was profitable. It's like 9 wins, or it's on my phone actually. Let me double check down. Let me not bullshit you real quick. It was literally a 50%. So I took 8 trades, 4 losses, 8 wins. So 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So out of 12 trades, 8 of them hit. So let's pull a little calculator. I think that's like 75%, maybe. I don't know how the fuck this math works, but I think it's something like this. Like 66, yeah. Okay, so 66 won right there. So like I don't mind trying it out for a little bit, because like I mean, low key on the back test it smacked. It moves a little different, obviously in live, so I just gotta get used to it. But I want to give it this entire month, see how it goes. We don't lose anything by trying. Just see how it goes. And then if it doesn't work out, then we'll start looking into brokers and stuff. I think it's a good play. We'll give it a month, not the week. We'll give it the month, see how it goes. No more bitching and complaining. We know how it moves now, so no more bitching and complaining. We're just gonna get on here and do our shit and let the statistics show us what it want to show us. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's it for now. Let's upload this hoe. Type little calm little 156 on the day. Can't complain about that. And, yeah, who knows? Tomorrow we might be down 300, so we'll find out. But that's it for today, boys.